We have a lot of evidence of a tomato hornworm, and I am going to come out during the night and try to find him. And why am I gonna do it in the night? Because if you take a actual black light, you can actually find them much easier. Like, there is just too much going on here that I can't even, I will show you. There's just too much to even attempt to find a green hornworm in here. Can you see all of this growth? It's incredible, but it's not incredible for me when you have to find a hornworm. So we will do that with a black light where he will glow, or they will glow tonight. Got him. Oh my gosh. So this is why you come out in the night, and his horn, he's huge. He's the one. You can't see it with the light off. My husband found it, and they're so big to pick up. Ooh. Bud. So gross. And I'm wondering if there's more, if it's just him. We've got another one. My husband's gonna get it. Oh my goodness. They're just all over these tomato plants. So many places to hide. Number 3. So, wow, they do really glow. Okay, get him.
That's a baby one.
Oh my gosh.